Good morning, this is Simon. Today's snippet, lead generation. Let me change that. Today's snippet, improving the profitability in your business. How do you do that? What's the most important thing that you do in your business on a day-to-day basis? If it isn't lead generation and it isn't looking for new customers, then you are starving your business of its oxygen, of its lifeblood. So how do you generate leads? How do you bring new people into the business in order that you can service them, sell them products, educate them, do whatever else it might be? And you've got to make sure you have a plan for marketing. Now, this doesn't need to be, a huge in-depth brand marketing plan, but it needs to be a specific, measured plan to let people know how you bring them into your business. So how do I generate my leads? Is it social media? Is it LinkedIn? Is it email marketing campaigns? Is it radio? Is it PR? Is it TV? Whatever else that might be. And then when you implement that marketing plan, make sure you're testing and measuring to use the plan which delivers the most clients to you on a day-to-day basis. So the most important thing in your business, the oxygen for your business, is lead generation. Don't neglect it. Thanks very much for listening. I've been Simon Nelson.